How to install garage door opener. Hey friends, today we're going to learn how to install a garage door opener. It's like adding a magic button to open and close your garage door without getting out of the car.
This video is brought to you by GateRepairPro.com.
What you'll need first, let's gather everything you need. A garage door opener kit. Make sure it comes with all parts like the motor and remote, a ladder to reach the top of your door, a drill and screwdriver, a tape measure, and safety glasses to protect your eyes. Marking the center, find the center of your garage door. Use a tape measure to make sure it's even, then mark it. This is where the garage door opener motor will go. Mounting the motor now, grab your garage door opener motor and mount it on the ceiling, using the brackets that came with it. Ask an adult to help with lifting it up high. Attaching the rail and chain next, attach the rail to the motor. It's like a track that helps the garage door move up and down. Then, connect the chain or belt to the rail. This helps the garage door open smoothly. Connecting the door now, connect the opener to the garage door. You'll need to attach a bracket to the garage door's top. This part helps the opener lift the door. Yay, your garage door opener is all set up. Now you can open and close your garage with just a click. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more cool DIY tips.